In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you do a full cPanel account backup from cPanel. So at first log into cPanel. Okay, I am at my cPanel now. Scroll down, find the files, and under the files, click on backup. Then click on download a full account backup. Select home directory and click on generate backup. And now the backup is in progress. It will take some time. As you can see, the backup is in progress. So let's wait for some times. Okay, we have waited some times and now we should refresh the page. Okay, we can see our account has been successfully backed up. Now we can download our backup. It's downloading. This is the full cPanel accounts backup. So this is how you can take a full account backup from cPanel.